And also one of the other things that is within your expertise is the in process control, because you're very interested with the metabolic status of cells, and that's clearly something that we can analyze during the production, so that.
So the maximum testing currently we have the QC, but we call it verification, quality by testing.
Yes.
We test the final product, not in process. Therefore, we have to do everything as a final product.
Yes.
Every batch you made it. That really block the industrialization. Therefore, if you can check the information during the process, you don't need to check everything at the shipping. Therefore, that will really save the time for QC and improve the quality of the product. Therefore, your system should be integrate this kind of QC system in process. We call quality by design.
Yes.
Really pave the way for the industrialization of the product, and also the benefit for the patient as well.
Yeah, for sure.
Government for the insurance.
Yeah, that's sure, because in the case the IT industry is very it's very clear for the IT industry what does it mean to have exponential growth, because that's what they've done. But in our case, in the case of cell therapy, there's even exponential growth in the production, because the cells are dividing. So there is an exponential growth, meaning that the costs there's a lot of costs. They are late heavy. At the later stage, it costs much more than at the earlier stage. So being able to follow the quality during production may help reduce the overall cost by avoiding to invest in batches that would, in the end, be thrown out. So that's I think, a very, very important point.
Yeah, vous avez raison. I understand.